Good evening. Hello, this is Navi with StockMarketMojo.com. Hello. Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello. Lyrics, Virgil, Tarek. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, Ryan. Yeah, Momo's trying to make a comeback today. Hello, Tarek. How you doing? Good. All right. Good, everybody. Welcome. Another flat, absolutely doji to the bone day in the market. Flat day, right? Flat. Good. Doing great. Thank you. So, wanted to show you guys a couple of charts. We traded Facebook today. We got it on the dip and it just rock and rolled. It tagged almost 104. We got in at 102. So we had a 2-point move in Facebook. We could have booked 50% profit. Anybody wanted to book it, that's fine. But, we're trending up here. Our on balance volume was turning up. We had a higher low from yesterday. And our CCI, you see the CCI is turning back into the positive territory. So Facebook was ready to rock and roll. We alerted at the 102 level and it promptly skyrocketed to 104. Right away. So we had a good trade right away in the morning. We could have booked between 25 to 50% there. If you booked it, great. If not, we'll probably get a follow through to 105 tomorrow. You can book it tomorrow. So that was our first trade today, right out of the box. We banged it at 102 and we got 104 just within 30 minutes of the trade. So that was a good setup this morning on Facebook. They're putting some VR glasses. The virtual reality Oculus Rift is going to go on sale tomorrow for pre-order, and we were able to utilize that news and get our guys positioned for a nice move back up to the 105 level. So that was one trade that we did. Another trade went almost 100%, guys. I don't know if you took it. Was my buddy Steve Wynn. Okay, when I go to Vegas, I stay at the Wynn, right? That's what I stay at. That's where the high rollers go. So this is my guy. And what happened? It's been just the steady accumulation. And this morning, I saw it at 69, and I thought, man, this is a good opportunity. Let's alert it. We got in 69 and change, and bam, 72.50 it nailed. Like 30 minutes later. 100% on win 30 minutes later. Hey, Darth. So look at that candle right there this morning. I got you guys in at 69 and it hit 72.50. Within 30 minutes, there was a rumor that Carl Icahn might take a stake and win. Okay? We don't know what happened with the rumor. We don't give a crap. But if you got this trade, you banged out 100% in 30 minutes. So Facebook was good for about 30% and Win was good for about 80 to 100%. Right out of the box, right out of the chute this morning, these two trades. So the thing is, the market is giving very little room, but if you're happy taking 20 to 100% quick, take it. Don't wait for me. If you got the signal, you want to blow it out, you got money on the table, take that money. 20 to 100% move right here on your options. So we had back-to-back, right? Back-to-back. Now you guys want a third one? What else did we give you today? We got in before this guy made a move. Teva Pharmaceuticals, right? Everybody got that one? Teva Pharma, huge accumulation, huge volume coming in, and boom. Right at the 65 level, I said, let's go. Right? Check it out. Bam. 66, baby. Right? Yeah, price line's okay. But, it's broken a long-term support line, I think, so got to watch that. So, guys, now we went 3 for 3 today. You guys can look it up. You guys can see the track record. And you can see how our performance was today. Market's not doing anything. It's a doji upon doji upon doji. Okay? But we are continuing to make progress against these headwinds, and our stocks continue to smash it up, basically. Our indicators were accumulating. Both indicators, the money on balance volume and the distribution line, accumulation distribution, and the CCI is turning up as well. So you can see Teva is just going gangbusters. And look at these two candles, boom, boom. Okay, probably get another one tomorrow. Maybe get even that tag to 67. Okay, book your profits. Okay, take your profits, rinse and repeat. So this is where we're at. Let's say hello to everybody. We have Locking Profits. Welcome, Javier. Hello, Horatio, Darth, of course, Ryan. We have Slim, TK, Lyrics, and the Don, and Tarek. Tarek, where are you from? Are you out in Dubai or where are you at? I'm going to set this up here. All right. Okay. There we are. Saudi Arabia. All right, my man. He is from the land of the House of Saud. Okay. All right. So, anything we can help you build a portfolio, start trading, anything we can do for you, let us know. We're here to help. I consult with many people in the Dubai and the UAE area, and they utilize my consultation services, and they do trading out there as well. So that's got it. So there's my lucky green shirt today, and it brought me a lot of luck. It gave you guys 3 for 3 this morning, and hopefully we'll continue that run that we are on. We're an incredible run, and hopefully we get a nice warning from Chipotle tomorrow, because I do have runners there. And even though we sold from 5 to 17 our options, I kept some, and let's hope that I hit that one more time. That would be amazing if I could do that. So this is the kind of stuff that we're working with, and I know you guys, some of you guys have followed me for a long time, and hopefully you can take advantage of our special. We'll get you guys signed up. All right. Thank you. Houston, Texas. All right. California, right here. Okay, so on Akiba, basically all of the what are they called? Early stage biotechs. They came out in basically starting from today, and from yesterday, today, and tomorrow. What they're doing is raising money for 2016. Okay, Akiba's one, but if you follow today, there's about 5 of them. ACAD is one of them, and there's a whole bunch of others. I can give you even a list. I was alerted to that. Here's my my alerts, that I go over every day, and basically everybody, all the biotechs that are in this stage of the game, they're raising money today, because for the entire 2016. So what the market makers do is they dump their stock so they can get it cheaper, and then they run it up. So it's just part of that. I would say keep an eye on Akiba. This might be a good buying opportunity, and it's going to run right back to 12.13. You'll see how the market makers run back up, because this is to raise money. They're buying stock. They want to buy as cheap as they can at the 10.5, 11 level, and of course when they bring it back to the market, it's not going to be this cheap. So this is kind of their strategy that the market makers utilize, and you'll see that on all of these biotechs that are coming up. That's pretty neat. They give me a whole list of this stuff. Let's see here. Let's see, biotechs. Okay, QQQ, FSLR. Man, I had so many alerts. Yeah, ACAD, ACAD, SAGE, SAGE, CEMP, CEMP, OTIC, and EPZM. They're all filing to raise cash for 2016 today. All of them, yes. All of them filed today. This is the 216 fundraising. This is all part of it. Okay, so this is what we had. However, our picks are strong. You saw them. You saw how they're running. Teva Pharma is one of the blue chip stocks that we have. and it's ready for the next run to 70. I hope you guys are long. I hope you guys got the alert. My subscribers did, and I'm basically giving you guys a free coverage here. Just as a followers free advice. I really like this company. It's made us a shitload of money over the last few months, and I'm still long Teva Pharmaceuticals. I love this company. All right. So in the meantime, the Momo started to bounce, right? Amazon bounced a little bit. Google bounced pretty good. And Facebook, of course. So you just have to keep your eyes out for those bounces. And then keep an eye out for the shorts. I mean, the market is still precarious. Good. Wow, nice. Google is going to be nice. You know, you have to be really quick on it, quick on the trigger, but you could do it. But mostly for us today, the wind really worked, Facebook worked, and Teva worked for us today, which is really, really good. And so I'm happy. How's the subscribers doing? How you guys? Let's see. We got a few of them in there. Twitter, they're putting some more characters in their thing, so it's still controversial. It's still not, the big money is still not there yet. So we're still waiting it out. We'll see how it goes. Also, we're putting up a hedge, and we think that the 195 level might get retested here in the near future. So I put on a hedge today. The subscribers have it, and if the market tests 195, we'll make a shitload of money on that hedge that we put on today. So, but the market has probably one more. Okay, Novio, yeah. Market has one more move, I think, up to the 204. And then from 204, it's probably going to take maybe a little bit of a dump to 195. So this is kind of where I'm thinking how it's circling. Okay, NVIV, I'll look at NVIV too. Thanks, Nick. But yeah, I'm looking at a lot of biotechs. I got it trimmed, yeah, I got it trimmed. Yeah, I thought I might as well, go without the hat today. Yeah. I got a little buzz for the new year, right? A little more cleaner cut. But yeah, that's what we got today. All right. Starbucks, great. I mean, buy the dips. 58, it's nice. 58 level, 59 level, something in there. Buy the dips on that. But keep your powder dry. Keep the powder dry. Get that SQQQ I talk about. And let's see where this market wants to go. Some of the money managers want to pull the money out. And a lot of you saw the biotechs raising a lot of money today. So people are concerned with the raising the rates. Maybe the liquidity is going to dry up, and a lot of people are trying to cash that in and trying to cash the shares. So keep on the lookout. And it didn't help that China froze their markets yesterday. It didn't help. Nobody could get money out of there. And but they ended up dumping something like, I don't know how many billion to save that market last night. So they're trying to save that Chinese market so it doesn't affect us. But let's see how all of it plays out. We're gonna continue to look at our setups, and our setups fired 3 for 3 today. If we don't get too greedy, if we take the 25-50% move, that's okay for now. Because the market is being very, very tight with giving away money. Yeah, we get the 200-300%, but sometimes we're not getting that. So take the 20. Yeah, even FireEye, you see how it gapped up? It hit 22.50 today. So maybe give you 25%, 50%. We could take that. We could be okay with that. And then it pulls back because the market makers, they don't want to give you they don't want to leave anything on the table. Even Apple gave you 50% from the 102 level. We hit 105.60 after hours, and then they took it back today. So you can see that they're being very, very tight, and so certainly play it for that. Play for the 25%. Play for the 50%. Believe me, that's a shitload of money if you guys were buying stock. 25 to 50% on an option is still a shitload of money until the market decides where it wants to go. So if you're getting the quick, like the Win gave you 80% this morning. From the 69 level, it popped to 72.64. The options were up 80%. You could have booked that right there. So the thing is that you don't have to wait for 100%. Don't wait for that, because the market is being very, very tight. If somebody gives you 25% on your money, take it. I mean, it's for like frickin' one day. Nobody gets 25% on their money, you know. We get it because that's how we're playing. But if you're getting it, take it, because sometimes the market makers are not giving you. They see 25%, they want to eat that, you know. So keep an eye on that, guys. Play it tight. Right now, play it tight. Don't play loose. You know, like Apple. Apple, you know, we got 50%, and we're like, man, maybe we can get 200%, right? But today they took it away. So the thing is that play a little bit tight, and keep your profits. And that way you get to reevaluate. You take your 50%, and then you're like, okay, what are they going to take that away? If they keep running it, you know, go back in it. That's okay. It's okay to go back in if they keep running it. But if that 106 is not coming on Apple, and they dump the shit out of it back down to 102, 103, you took the profit at 105.50. You don't care. See? You don't care. But if it breaks 106, you can go after it again. See what I'm saying? So some of these ranges, we're going to play a little bit tighter. Yes. To play the ranges, but play them tight right now. If we're getting 50%, all options are hitting 50% and above. So if you're getting 50%, let's take it. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard right now. I mean, we got 200% on Chipotle yesterday. So, you know, we'll get that. But if you guys, Facebook, you know, went 30-40% this morning, 80% on Win, and 25% on what was that? Teva. So we could take that. Thank you. All right. Yeah, that's right. So it's a personal judgment. It's a personal judgment. Yeah, personal judgment. Use your judgment. Use your own judgment. Market is playing very tight. Just know that if I got 20% on my money, I'm still okay, right? I'm still okay. I don't want to lose it. So play tight for the next few days until it picks a direction. Once it picks a direction, you know where it's going. Let it ride. It's going to pick a direction. I'm thinking green. I'm thinking it hits the 204 and then dumps to 195. Maybe that's going to be the level. Let's have a look. If it convincingly breaks 204, then we got 208, 209. But we need a convincing break. So, but if it doesn't, and if it dilly-dallies up there and, you know, back down, then play according to what we set up. So, yes, don't be too late to that, because, you know, if it can skyrocket. QQQ, the SQQQ can skyrocket any given moment. Don't be too late on that. Build that position in February calls. I would build February or March on the short QQQ, because if we get a big correction in February after the earnings, that's going to pay big. The SQQQ is going to pay big. So this is kind of where it's at on that. Let's see, what else do we have? So good. Try not to be in too many longs. Book your profits. If you're break even, still take it, and then revisit the setup again the next day. Yes, you're welcome. No problem. Revisit the setup. You have the setup already, but if the market makers took that money off, you know, it's okay to get stopped out, get that break even, and revisit the setup again tomorrow. See how it looks. Right now, those three setups look killer. They look killer right now. But let's see how the morning comes. If there's pre-market action, you know, if the Mexican grill gets downgraded again, or comes up with an earning warning. Perfect would be the earnings warning, because the stores are empty. I'm getting pictures from nationwide from users saying that the stores are empty. So if they warn, you know, tomorrow or the day after, if they come with a nice warning, we should book the remainder of the profit, if you didn't book it yet. Because that was a huge profit, which I said from 5 to 17, book that. So I mean that's done, but I left a few runners, so I'm hoping I can catch that big you know, dump again. Okay, so that's the trade in CMG. That's the trade in the other three we talked about. And the momos are being sold off because they ran up so much, so they're being sold off to just to raise cash. So right now you're seeing that in the momos. Momos are being sold to raise cash, but we'll see if how long does that last, because the mutual fund managers have to make their numbers, and the only way to make numbers is to get the momos. Momos got the growth, and especially Google and Facebook, they make money. It's not like Amazon. Amazon doesn't make that much money, but and Netflix doesn't make that much money. But Google and Facebook, really, they make a shitload of money, right? I mean, a shitload of money, and they're growing their earnings like crazy. So those will be my two top picks as far as the momos are concerned, Google and Facebook. And then the rest of the sectors, what we're playing. You have the subscribers have all that, and they have the setups, and hopefully you guys will sign up. Those who haven't signed up, we got a good deal going. Click on the specials link on my website, stockmarketmojo.com, and we'll get you hooked up to the private Twitter feed, and you'll get the whole pre-market, and you get during the day alerts on all these quality stocks and the setups that we have. All right, so right now we have Inder, we have Sandeep, he's doing great, William, and of course, and Tarek. Okay, Tarek, have you opened up your account yet? Are you trading yet, or what are you thinking about? I know yesterday you had some questions about where to open the account and that kind of stuff. Were you able to get those answers? So at least we can maybe get you signed up and get you the help that you need to start trading and equities and options. I would do both. If you want to put a substantial amount of money like that, I would do both. Have a diversified portfolio and take advantage of the market, whichever way it goes. I have 20 right now, Green. Roughly 20 or 21. Yeah. I mean, I just started, a month and a half ago? Yeah. So my goal is to get 100, and that's it. Yeah, I want to get 100, and that'll be good. Oh, good. Well, I'm going to follow you. Okay, great. Yeah. I can get you signed up, no problem. Follow me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. Send me a direct message, and I can add you to our subscriber list. Once you sign up and I have your confirmation, I can set you up. So let's see how the market shapes up. But certainly, even in a difficult market, we continue to find winners, and we could continue to grow our service. Okay, let's see. TK, I'm gonna follow TK. Here we go. All right, TK, I'm following you now. Yes, the website is stockmarketmojo.com. Stockmarketmojo.com. And for locking profits, I'm following you as well. Yeah. You got a big queue. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah, so I want to, get you guys signed up, take advantage of the specials while they last. I mean, I'm going to basically cut it off at 100 subs, and I want to keep the quality up. I don't want to do, the quality of the work to suffer. I want to do good quality work, and so it'll be limited. The word is getting out. I mean, every day I get somebody signs up, but it's like every day, every other day I get people signing up. So it is definitely getting busy for me, but that's good. I want to give back to the community, and I give free advice here every night. And but what my trades are and how my subscribers are doing, that's all private, and I can share that with you. Good. Oh, I'm not the smartest, but Nick, thank you for your compliment, man. That's just just for that you got to follow. Just for that, Nick. Just for that. No, not that smart. I do work hard. I will admit that, and I think anybody, if you put your mind to it, like Like Marty McFly says, you can accomplish anything, right? If you put your mind to it. So, it's just hard work and study, and this is what I like to do. I mean, I enjoy that. Yes, ability would be worth to build a portfolio. So definitely you get an idea of which are the good positions. Yeah. So we could set that up. I'm unlike Kramer. Yeah. No, Kramer is more of a television personality. Yeah. I don't think he does any hard research. He relies on other people's work. I do my own research. Yeah. Do my own forecasts. I study basically all the major economists. I study the trends. I study the market psychology, and then then I can advise. Yeah. All right, Nick. So Nick, hopefully you can sign up, huh? Hopefully we can get your business. Now that I've got a new follower in Nick, and I'm actually following him. And listen to Ryan. Ryan knows. Ryan knows what's up. Yeah. And Ryan is actually building his portfolio of stocks as well as options. So he does both, which is my specialty. I do both. Yeah. Yeah. You have to do both. You can't just live off one or the other. I think it's necessary to do both in the market. You have to have a balance. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. You don't have to. I mean, you can make money just purely in stocks. Sometimes you can do covered options, Nick. Yeah, covered is good. You can sell covered calls on your biotechs, and covered calls are paying 10% a month minimum. Maybe sometimes even 20%. You can get a return on 20% on a covered call on your biotech stocks. So that's something that you would have to a little bit study. Does the rules allow holding more than 5% of a company? You would have to disclose. You have to disclose if you own more than 5% of a company. Yeah. Yeah. If you own more than 5% of a publicly traded company, you have to file a form with the SEC. So try not to own more than 5%. Try to own a little bit less. I know the guys in Saudi are very, very wealthy, right? That's the kind of question they would have. We're not that wealthy yet, so we can own 1%. We're happy with that. 5%, we don't have the money for that yet. Yeah. Same as Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, I believe you have to file a form if you own more than 5%. Yeah. Anyway, I think it's anywhere in the world like that. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to stay under the radar, stay under the 5%. That way, nobody knows who you are. And they can't come after you for donations, right? That's why you don't want anybody to know. They'll be like, "Hey, that's my rich uncle, and give me some money." But yeah. Don't buy too much, obviously, for of one company. I would be diversified, if I were you. 1% of this, 1% of that, stuff like that. Don't do penny stocks. Sorry, yeah, I'm not into that. Not into that. Only blue chip stocks. Blue chip, solid. None of that. None of that. We don't do that. We don't want to lose our money. Lyrics is a good trader. I'm impressed with Lyrics. He's strong, and he's a new subscriber. He's a must follow, guys. Follow Lyrics. This guy knows his stuff. And of course Ryan and Lyrics, they're awesome. Really, you guys really know your stuff. Yeah, I don't follow Dries. I don't follow them, but yeah, if they are a penny stock, yeah, possibly, yes, yeah. Stocks that we follow. I follow like 200 stocks, and every day something is moving somewhere. And we're able to try to catch that and bring that to you. Kramer's a nice guy. I mean, he did hard work, right? I mean, 20 years ago, he worked hard. Yeah, then he got the job on TV, and he became a celebrity and all that. So now he's a celebrity. Celebrity and hard work, I mean, it's two different things, right? You work hard till you become a celebrity. Now you're a celebrity. You don't have to do shit, right? You don't have to do crap. You have your minions do the work. So you're not as good anymore because the minions are just pushing paper, right? Minions are minions. Minions are not going to do the work that you do, that made you who you are, right? It's like Rocky. You know, when Rocky lost it all, what did he do? Go back to Mickey's gym, right? That's how you get it back. When you become a celeb, you lose it. Mr. T can, knock you out, right? Mr. T can knock you out. Yeah. Celebrity and what makes you a celebrity is two different things. So you do the hard work, and then if your hard work is amazing, then you become a celebrity. Once you become a celebrity, you forget all the hard work that brought you here. Kind of like that. Right. Thank you, Nick. Nick is a good follower, man. He's inviting people. He's sharing. This is what I'm talking about. Social media. Nick is one of those real social media. He's sharp with social media. Yeah. Good. Tarek, I'm glad you agree. Exactly. Look at Alanis Morissette, right? I mean, it's amazing. In the 90s, her first album, Jagged Little Pill, sold every copy that, millions of copies. What happened to the second album? Nothing, right? So it's like whatever you want to say, and the first time you say it and you're done. Something like that. Not every artist, obviously. Alanis is great too. But still, what I'm saying is, it's probably 50-50. A lot of celebrities, before they were celebrities, they work really hard. Then once they make it, maybe the desire is not there to work as hard. And I think that's maybe true of Kramer. I don't know if he works as hard as he used to. I don't know. We hope that he does. But from what I see from his picks, from, the stocks that he pumps, and, it just doesn't look like hard work to me. To me, it's just like some CNBC guy, some kid, some intern put a list for him, and he's just rattling it off. To me, that's what it sounds like. Yeah. But, more power to him. He worked hard to get where he's at. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Kramer's a working stiff. Don't get me wrong. He was a working stiff, man. He worked his ass off. He used to work at thestreet.com. He used to work in journalism. He paid his dues, okay? But then he made it. People started liking him because he has a good personality, okay? Yeah, he had a good personality. People started liking him. So now it's about the show. It's about the bull making the noise. It's about, buy, sell. It's all the show now. Yeah, exactly. All right, Lyrics. Thank you for your support. I appreciate that. I will see you in pre-market tomorrow. So, my friends, good job. Lyrics, very smart. Lyrics, ease into stuff. I know you love the picks, you love everything, but look at the setup before jumping in and go slow. Slow is the best. Then if it works, we go all in, right? Slow and then build. Slow and build. And if you see the money, take it. See money, take it. Okay, that's kind of the best advice I can give today. The market is choppy, and it's going to be choppy for a little bit longer before the market picks direction. Yeah. It's a good chance. On Amazon, it's a good chance. It's a good chance. Yeah. Yeah, let's watch Amazon before buying any additional, Sandeep. Let's watch that. Yeah. Let's watch where it goes. Give it a couple more days. Yeah. Yes, we shorted the shit out of it. Shorted the shit out of it from 90. We covered at 78. We made like 1,000% on Restoration Hardware. Check my stock tweets. Go look at stock tweets under RH. What I did. I've been short that thing from 90 to 78. I covered. From 90, I've been short. It's the shit out of the thing, Restoration Hardware. Yes. Shit out of it. Yeah. Thank you. No, I don't do Forex. Those are the foreign exchange, currency, futures, that type of stuff I don't do. I specialize in stocks and options only. That's my specialty. Yeah, RH is still going lower. It probably, I covered it, but if it pops, I may go short again. It's going to the 60s. Oh, okay. I have three. I have three little ones. Meaning my little one he's 9, but he's still little. Kate bounced today, but overall I've been short from 20. I mean, it's been going down. I'm a professional trader. Professional, yes. Yes. Bryson has a shot, yeah. But we got to watch that. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Well, good luck. Good luck with that. Yeah, maybe. Kate, somebody got some options today. There was some action in Kate today. Maybe, huh? GoPro is just, yeah, man. It's been a hell of a short from last year. Yeah. Thank you, Tarek. Hopefully you can join us. We want to earn your business. You know, hopefully you can subscribe. Go to my website, stockmarketmojo.com. We want your business. I want to have a friend in Saudi just in case, you know, we end up in Dubai, we party out there. If I frickin' hit the Chipotle puts, you know, if I make some money there, then I'm coming to Dubai. So I need somebody to show me around. Hopefully Tarek will be there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Bull is right there. He's on my mantle. He's there. He's there. Bull is there. No worries, Vic. We went 3 for 3 today, just in case you did not know. Our subscribers are 3 for 3. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. I mean, Vic, we're just waiting for your business. Hopefully you can join us. But you can talk to Ryan. You can see the 3 picks he got today. You know, all of them are up. And probably continue higher because we're expecting a 204 SPY in the near future. Maybe even tomorrow. We could get a nice little pop tomorrow. But after that, I'm thinking another down cycle. And so we got the short QQQs. Okay. Well, that'll be great. You'll be welcome. You'll be welcome. We'll grab some lunch. You just, you know, shoot me on my Twitter. Let me know when you're in town. We'll go grab some food. No worries. Be my guest. I'm in Southern California. Southern California. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So hopefully I'll be able to earn the new followers business. Yeah. Yeah, SoCal, it's the best. SoCal is the best. Nice. And I'm at the center of all the stuff that's going on. Entertainment, technology, social media. It all happens here. IBB is in a consolidation. And I would keep my eye on it. It might be heading up here soon. But, you know, the next few days it's chopping around. Everything is chopping around. And we found something in there, in IBB, that we sent to our members today. And it popped. And it's off to the races. Our members are going to make 100% on this pick that I gave them today. And it's already up. It's up 20% already. So, you know, it's just, the point is just sign up and to have that pick. Yeah. If it is red, it looks to be green. Okay, we got 2 reds in a row. Thank you. And if it is red, your short QQQ is going to take off like a bullet. But I'm thinking that the next day or two could be green and get us to the 204 level. Yeah, could be green, get us to 204. Now, if you're break even, if you have a little profit, book that and wait for the setup. Now, if it's running away, of course, raise your stop. If it's running away, raise your stop. But if it's like you don't know if it's going to go up or down and just kind of hanging in there, book that profit. Book that profit. Okay. So this will be that, and then of course then we review the positions tomorrow and see if the market did go green and we book profits. If it's green, book the profits. And then of course if it's red, then we maybe look to add more to the SQQQ and maybe add a few more puts and see if we can take advantage. If it breaks down to the 195 level, if we can take advantage of that. So that'll be the play for tomorrow. And hopefully I'll be able to get Arthur, Amir's here, Tim. Terrific. All right. You guys are awesome. Okay. So if anybody has not followed me on Twitter, it's at NaviAvatar1. Let's do that. If anybody has questions, send me there, and I will be able to answer those for you this evening. Hopefully you'll sign up and become a member from our website, stockmarketmojo.com, and I'll be able to send you the complete market coverage before the market opens and my private Twitter alerts throughout the day of what we need to buy, what we need to sell, all of that. Okay? So if there's any further questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will go, I'll let you guys go for the evening, and I will come back to you in the pre-market first thing tomorrow for my subscribers. And then I'll be available on Twitter all day. All right. All right. Thank you. Sandeep, Ryan, the best subs anybody could have. Good. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support. And, let's have maybe a Relipsa buyout tomorrow would be nice. Or CMGI warning or anything like that. Some good news on our positions would be good. Yeah. Thank you. T28KC, T28KC, thank you. Hope you could join us and hope to earn your business. Me too. Me too. I got nice options waiting for that. Hopefully we get that soon so we can all party. All right. Have a great evening, everybody. Tarek, I got to go. We'll bye to you. If you need me, send me on Twitter. You can direct message me at NaviAvatar1 if you need any help, or Vic as well. If you guys need anything, you direct message me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. Okay? Hope to earn your business, and I will follow you as well. Yes. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay. Well, have a great evening, guys.